Yo, it's Oko, and we're reacting to Tuki, Saitei Kaiwai, Kaiwai, Saitei Kaiwai. Am I saying that right? Saitei Kaiwai. Anyway, checking this out. I thought it was gonna look cool. You know what I mean? It was on the homepage. I was like, you know what? We listen to a lot of Ado. Uh, so let's check out her, man. See what this is in for. Let's go bad, please. Also, there's English subtitles, baby. Oh boy, we're in there. I really want to look at the visuals only. Well, this is like a whole nother vibe. Wait. Hey. Oh wait, I said it right. Saitei Kaiwai, Saitei Kaiwai. I said it right. Yo, give me a pat on the back. I deserve that. I deserve something, and that should be a pat on the back because I said it correctly. And you're probably looking like, I know my fellas who speak Japanese, who are also just weebs and anime watchers, are probably like, yeah, I mean, I guess that was cool. Like, I could have did it in my sleep. Hey, man, I give props where props are due, please, man. Thank you. Why did I do that? Is that wait? Thank you. Thank you. Y'all didn't see what I did underneath the camera, and I think that's fine. Saitei Kaiwai. Hey. Why am I saying wrong? Kaiwai. I love when, bro, her voice is very like, I don't think it's something I've ever heard before. It's very different, and like, I don't know if she's rapping here or not, but like, from that, right, the chorus to like this part here, it just sounds so good. Also, this beat is crazy. Yo, this beat is crazy. Wait, hold on. It'd be crazy to tell you, like, the guys in the uniform, they kind of look like the Akatsuki. Like, you can't tell me that's not Itachi right now going crazy. I belong to the Saitei. Are we joining a gang? Is this the gang's theme song? Can I join? Is that what the Elsmans are doing? They look like dabbing, bro. I can't tell. I can't tell. So like, if I do the ritual, right? Am I now part of the gang? What was it? Uh, question mark? Am I now included in the Saitei? Wait, what's it called? Saitei Kaiwai? Kaiwai? I don't remember. Anyway, that was a W video, man. I truly enjoyed that. But I'll see on. I should have listened to the lyrics, man. Damn, there's a lot of English fellas in here as well. Not just Japanese. It's a lot of fellas from the speaking side as well. Seems like everyone liked it. Oh damn, this is Oh wait, I like her music. We might tap in. We might throw her, Tuki and Ado into rotation just to check out more stuff. But yeah, as you can see, again, there's a lot of English fellas here. But yeah, I like her voice a lot. It's very unique. It's again has not been something I've heard. I'm not gonna lie. I have a lot of music in my playlist. Like on my Spotify rap, I think in my top three was Japanese pop. I listen to a lot, so like that should let you know I listen to a lot of Japanese music. Like um even outside of like anime outros and stuff like OSTs and stuff like that. Even outside of that, I listen to a lot of Japanese music. I don't know what's being said. I don't know what's going on, but they make some bangers, bro. It always sounds good. Whether it's like sometimes you can tell when a song is sad, like that one King Gyu song where they're I found it. It's this song. It's this song here. This song. I don't know what this is called. That's why it was so hard to find it, but it's this song. This is my favorite song by them. It's like a completely 180 from what we just listened to. This is fire, man. Like you hear the song? Y'all get the gist. It's my favorite song by them though. But like, all I'd say is that I am indeed cultured. I am indeed cultured. What is this? Sorry. I am indeed cultured. Anyway, let me know y'all thoughts, bro. Maybe we can listen to them. I think most of their stuff gets blocked anyway, so I'm probably gonna have to like zoom in on my face or something to get rid of the video. But yeah, stay safe. Make sure you guys take care of yourself. Have a great day. Again, bro, if you stay safe and take care of yourself, I can see you in the next video. Peace.